Mr. Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. Mr. Speaker, the United Nations General Assembly declared 2020 as the International Year of Plant Health. This year is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to raise global awareness on how to protect plant health. It's not an annual event by UN, this year has been declared as a year of plant health. So basically, it gives us an opportunity to raise global awareness about how to protect plant health and how it will contribute to the various, various benefits, direct and indirect, that we derive from plant and plant products, plant commodities. Mr. Speaker, I do not have to go in detail about describing and explaining how important plant is to our life, how we derive our livelihood, how we depend on plant from direct and indirect products out of plant. Mr. Speaker, having said that, given we take it as given the importance of plant, therefore plant health is also very crucial if we want to derive the benefits out of the plant to that level. Mr. Speaker, but plant health is under threat from climate change, human activities, altered ecosystems, gradual reduction in biodiversity, and increase, because of these changes, increase in incidence and occurrence of pests and diseases. Mr. Speaker, FAO estimates that up to 40% of food crops are lost due to pests and diseases annually. At the same time, international travel and trade has tripled in volume in the last decade and can quickly spread pests and diseases around the world, causing great damage to native plants and environment. Mr. Speaker, Ministry of Agriculture has noted that the UN Declaration of the International Year of Plant Health, and we are now planning to undertake activities to spread to the people the importance of looking after the plant health dimension, particularly the plant health dimension, and what all of us, individuals, households, the business sector, service sector, all those who are interacting with plant, nature, the crop, the environment, in different ways, how we could alter our behavior, our conduct slightly, so that we can really enhance and look after plant and plant health. Mr. Speaker, we will be celebrating this, we will be having a number of activities. We have started actually on this, leading up to October, where we will do a major activity in Singatoka. During the celebration, we will organize plant health clinics throughout Fiji, whereby farmers will bring their crops and weed samples to plant doctors at designated venues for checkup and for specialist advice. Mr. Speaker, we have got local plant doctors that have been trained by qualified entomologists. Entomologists are the people who are experts in the insect effect on plant. We've got plant pathologists looking at plant diseases, and we got also weed scientists. So these plant doctors have been trained by pathologists, entomologists, and weed scientists on how to, when you pick up a particular symptom, then from that symptom, how do you recognize whether what is the causal factor behind it. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Intl 2 years ago, probably last year, launched a app called Plant Doctor, where if you find some kind of symptom on your plant, you take a photo and upload it on the app. It's a WhatsApp app, basically upload it, and immediately, and I seriously mean it, within maybe a minute, there will be someone saying, this is the issue. But so the real trick is make sure you get a good photo from various angles of that decoloration or deformity of the plant leaf or plant or truncation of the plant. Put it on that WhatsApp, and immediately someone, an entomologist or a virologist or a pathologist will respond saying, this basically demonstrates that it may be this particular pest or this particular disease, and this is the solution. This is how we rectify the problem. So, Mr. Speaker, when we're going to do this activity in October, we're going to link up with other ministries and other organizations, SPC, biosecurity, etc., so that we can do it in a big scale, and also involve them, who are very important stakeholders with us in this journey, to ensure that we protect, enhance our stock of biological resources, particularly plants. So, Mr. Speaker, we take this International Day of Plant Health seriously. Thank you.